Shenzhen is on vacation. Hurry up. He has been trapped in the sewage pipe for a long time. Find me your tweet. Come here, come here. Here the dogs couldn't breathe, so I decided to get into this sewer where there's room for me. Inside. Did you find it? I got it. I got it. I'm going to pull it back. The water is so deep and smelly. You can't take it anymore inside. I'm very weak. My feet are numb. Oops, wait a minute, I'll go. It hurts after going to my knee. Wow, after my knee. It hurts. Wow, what? Do the rope. Pull the rope. Wait a minute. Pull the rope on me. I'll go up first. Wow, wow, brother. Brother, ouch, ouch, hurry up! Tight, hurry up. Wow, oops, 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 it's frozen. Hurry up and get it up. You go up first. You go up first. Get the dog down first. This dog is frozen. It's freezing. It's freezing. Dog one. Freeze. Now, well, yes, yes. I need. You. Macy, show your tongue. Hold on, I'm Macy. Macy. You can go to Subway today. This dog Dick and that stinky dog and that, or I haven't talked about it a few times. Don't fight tomorrow. I'm really interested in dying today. I'll prepare it for you. A bowl of dongye. The shoes he was wearing jumped at school, and he froze the dog for a long time. The whole thing is frozen and weak, frozen and stiff. Then he can still get out. I'm going to go in there and pull him out. He's frozen. Will the dog thank you? The moment the dog came out, he took a few steps. Realizing that he had been saved, he drove 180 kilometers to Nanchang. The inflammation is very, very high now. Normally, the one less than 10 is already 150, which is very high. This is inside. Yes, Coco has lost this life pill for him, and the source of life is his last hope. I don't know if I can't make it through. This lion leg is also. It's the constant extravasation today. Blood, he's been miserable. Of